Listen here. Chapter number 7, exercise 7.2. Sixth problem. The sixth problem is find the equation of the tangents to the curve y equal to 1 plus x cube for which the tan is orthogonal to the line. Very first that already told you that x1 or y1 will be there. Be any point on the curve y equal to 1 plus x cube. Which place actually y equal to 1 plus 1 x cube. Now the same method, differentiate y equal to 1 plus x cube with respect to x. But dy by dx is equal to 0 plus 3x square. Okay? So slope equal to what? Slope m1 equal to dy by dx at x1 comma y1. What is that answer? 3x1 square. This is m1. First part cover. Now, I need to know tan orthogonal, parallel, perpendicular, orthogonal means to find slope of the line. Slope of the line x plus 12y equal to 12 is, it is m2, what is that? Minus coefficient of x by the coefficient of y is the formula, minus 1 by 12, this is m2. Since they are orthogonal, already given, that's why, what is the formula? Product of the two slopes is minus 1. Am I right? What is the first answer? 3x1 square into minus 1 by 12 equal to minus 1. 1 times 4 times. Minus cancel. x1 square equal to 4. x1 equal to plus or minus 1 of 4. x1 equal to plus or minus 2. Put x1 equal to in 1. What is the answer? Y equal to 1 plus 2 cube. That is what? 1 plus 8, 9. Put x1 equal to minus 2 in 1. Y equal to what? Y1 actually 1 plus minus 2 whole cube. That is what? 1 by minus 8. That is minus 7. Therefore, the points are 2, 9 and minus 2, minus 7. Now what is happening? Find the equal tangents are staying. The first one is what is slope actually? Slope, you know. Substitute the point here. Alright? Substitute the point here. That is slope m1. What is the first point? 2, 9. When x equal to 2 is what? 3 into 2 square. That's what? 4. 2 square is 4. 3 4s are 12. The slope is 12. Next one is what? Next one also, the point is what? Minus 2, minus 7. The next slope is what? 12. Therefore, the first one at first one is what? 2, 9. The slope now it will be m 3x square, 2 square, 3 into 12, that is 4. 12. M is 12. Now equation of the tangent at 2, 9. What is the formula? Previous formula only. Y minus y1 into y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus y is 9. M is 12. It x minus 2. Multiply 12x minus 24. Now 0 equal to 12x minus 24 minus y plus 9. Therefore, 12x minus y. What is the answer? 15 minus 15. This is the first answer. Similarly, at minus 2, minus 7, again slope is what? 3 into minus 2 whole square. This is also 3 into 4, 12. Slope is same, but points are different. Therefore, equation of tangent at another point, minus 2, minus 7. Substitute y minus y is what? Plus 7. M is 12, x plus 2. Am I right? 1x plus 24. So 0 equal to 1x plus 24 minus 5 minus 7. So 12x minus 5 plus 17 equal to 0. This answer. Therefore, this is the same. If the tangents are same, these are x1 and y2 values. x1 and x2 value, no. Substitute to both the part x value in the given equation, they get 2 values for y also. There are 2 parts are there. By using the first part, we can subtract the equation. For the second part also, to find the equation. Next question, 7th question. Find the equation tangents to the curve y equal to x plus 1 divided by x minus 1, which are parallel to the straight line x plus 2y equal to 6. Then as usual, let x1, y1 be any point at the curve. At the curve, y equal to x plus 1 by x minus 1, which implies y1 equal to x1 plus 1 by x1 minus 1, the first equation. The same thing, differentiate y equal to x plus 1 by x minus 1 with respect to x. It is on the form q by b. What's the formula? dy by dx equal to denominator d square d u dash minus u into the formula. We can denominator what? The whole square. Denominator into difference is not given as what? X is 1 and plus x is 1 and is 0. 1 plus 0 minus x plus 1 into 1 minus 0. Okay? What is multiplication? X minus 1 minus x minus 1. Here x minus 1 whole square. Okay? Minus 2 by x minus 1 whole square. This is actually differentiation of 1 minus 1 plus x plus 1 by x minus 1. The first one is over. Now substitute the point. So m1 equal to dy by dx at x1, y1 minus 2 by x1 minus 1 whole square. This is m1. Then slope of the line x plus 2y equal to 6 is m2 equal to what is the formula? Minus coefficient x by coefficient of y is the formula. Minus 1 by 2. This is m2. Okay, what is given? The parallel is given since they are parallel. That's why slopes are equal. Am I right? Minus 2 by x1 minus 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 minus minus cancel. Cross multiply 4 equal to x1 minus whole square. So x1 minus whole square equal to plus or minus of 4 is what? Plus or minus 2. x1 equal to plus 2 plus or minus 2 plus 1. Therefore x1 equal to plus 2 plus 1 equal to 4, one answer. x1 equal to minus 2 plus 1 is answer. Okay? When x1 equal to 3 in the equation. What is the answer? y1 equal to 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1. Okay? What is the answer? 4 by that is 2. First answer over. Similarly, when x1 equal to next answer is what? Minus 1. In 1, y1 equal to minus 1 plus 1 by minus 1 that is 0. Therefore, the points are x1 is 3, 2 and minus 1, 0. The slope is common. Slope is what? Both slopes are equal. Substitute x1 is 3 or minus 1 bigger than 1 by 2 only. Thus bigger both slopes are equal. Therefore, the first one is the equation of tangent at 3, 2. What is the formula? The standard formula. y minus 2 equal to m is what? Minus 1 by 2. X minus 2. Now class what do you mean? 2y minus 4 equal to minus x plus 3. Therefore, x minus 3 plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Right in order. This is the first example. Because what is asking? Equation of the tangents asking. That's why we got two answers. Similarly, equation of tangent at minus 1 comma 0. Y minus 0, m is the same thing, x plus 1. So 2y equal to minus x minus 1. X plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0 is the answer. What is the equation? Tangents are asking. We have plus or minus coming. That's why two answers. Two values for x1 and y1. That's why 2 points. That's why 2 category equation. The previous one, this one, same method. Next question. Example 6 problem. 8th question. Find the equation of tangent and normal to the curve. The given by x equals 7 cos t and y equal to 2 sin t. T transform at any point on the curve. This is given now. What is given? X equals 7 cos t and y equal to 2 sin t. Therefore, xy given. Therefore, any point on the curve is x is what? 7 cos t, comma 2 sin t. This is the point. Now differentiate x equals 7 cos t with respect to t. That is involved. But dx by dt equal to 7 constant. Difference of cos is minus sin t. 1 over. Difference now is y equal to 2 sin t with respect to again t. Okay? dy by dt is equal to 2 constant. Sin difference is cos t. But we want dy by x. But dy by dt divided by dx by dt equal to what? Dy by dt is 2 cos t by minus 7 sin t. Therefore, slope m is equal to dy by dx at t. The t value not given. It's up to t only. That is m. Suppose t value something is given me. Substitute t value. But here, need not put the t value. Now, what is asking first one? Equation of tangent at what is the point? 7 cos t, comma 2 sin t. Let it be x1 y1. Am I correct? This is the formula. Y minus y1, y is what? 2 sin t. M is what? 2 cos t divided by minus 7 sin t. Into x minus 7 cos t. Now cos 1 by minus 7 sin t into y minus 2 sin t. 2 cos t into x minus 7 cos t. Now only multiply minus 7y into sin t minus into plus 14 into sin square t. Here 2x cos t plus minus 14 cos square t. Am I right? You will arrange one side. 0 is equal to 2x cos t. The minus 7y sin from the side minus plus 7y into sin t. Already 14 cos square t is there. This plus 14 sin square from the side minus 14 sin square t. Now x into 2 cos t. This is 2x into cos t plus 7y into sin t. Out of these two terms, minus 14 is common. Cos square t plus sin square t. That is 1. Am I right? Minus 1. For 2x cos t, 7y sin t, minus 14 into 14 only. This is the answer. Am I right? This is the tangent equation. What the answer? 2x cos t plus 7y sin t minus 14 equal to 0. The same thing, normal equation. Second part, equation of normal. What is the point? The same point, 7 cos t comma 2 sin t. Y minus y1 equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. Y minus y is what? 2 sin t. Minus 1 by m is m multiplied find out. Reciprocal and change the sign. Change the plus 7 sin t by 2 cos t into x minus 7 cos t. Now cross multiply 2 cos t this one. But 2y cos t minus 2 of 4 sin t cos t. Am I right? Here 7x sin t. Next 7 7 are 49 sin t cos t. Am I right? Minus 70 minus 7 7 are 49. Afterwards into sin t cos t. Now again 0 is equal to 7x sin t. This one comes as minus 2 cos t. Already what is that? Minus 49 sin t cos t already is there. This minus 4 sin t cos t comes as plus 4 sin t cos t. These two terms are like terms. Therefore 7x sin t minus 2y cos t. The minus plus 4 is minus 49. Subtracting both minus 45 sin t cos t is the answer. When t equals some angles are given me, substitute the t value, the visibility, that is the point. The t value nothing is given. That's why x is the point. And also slope also after when t value is, that is constant. Because t value is not given, then the same thing. This also part of 5 by cosine. This type of equation who in parts are asking me 5 by cosine. The 9th and 10th are already over. 9th and 10th over. This exercise is completely over. In this exercise, I did all the exercise problem and some of the example problem also, because this exercise is very important for 5 by cosine. This exercise is over. Now let us start with the first exercise. Second exercise is completely over. Now start with the first exercise. Now, the formula for exercise 7.1, the average rate of change in an interval. Average velocity. This is not average velocity. Rate of change, that is velocity. Average velocity is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus mc interval. The velocity is what? 1 time difference. Answer is again 2 time difference. When the particle is at rest, then velocity becomes 0. When the particle is moving forward, and the velocity becomes positive, get 0. When the particle is moving backward, velocity becomes less than 0. The volume of the sphere, 4 by 3 pi r 2, volume of the cylinder, pi r square x, then volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square. This is our formula. By using this much concept, first exercise. Okay, you must have the idea and the formula. Listen here. Exercise 7.1, page number 8. Now I want to write about the answer. I want to explain the answer. Refer the question in the book. The question: a particle moves along a straight line in such a way that after t seconds, the distance from the origin is s equal to 2t square plus 3t. What is happening? The first solution, what is happening now? To find the average velocity of the points between t equal to 3 and t equal to 6 seconds. This is asking the average velocity. What is the formula? Average velocity equal to f of s of b minus f of a by s of a b minus the formula. Now start with here, put in the points what? Here t equal to 3, t equal to 6. That means what? Let a equal to 3, b equal to 6. Let it once again, s equal to no, 2t square plus 3t. This can be as s of t. Because s interval t, no, that's of t. When a equal to 3, s of t equal to d plus a 3. 3 equal to 2 into 3 square plus 3 into 3 equal to what? 18 plus 9, 27. The s of 6 is what? 2 into 6 square, 3 into 6. 36 into 72 plus 18 equal to what? 19. Therefore, already formula no. Subsequently here, average velocity is equal to the first one is f of b 90, am I correct? Minus 27 by 6 90 equal to what? 90 minus 27, that is 63 by 3, am I correct? 21. Then meter per second can be given. In the question itself, what is given? In one meter given and the second is given. Or t second given. The rate is given, so meter per second is the average velocity. This is a formula. The small formula, SRB minus SRB by B minus A. Here, between the points are from B equals 3 and 6, that is will be 3 and 6 is A, comma B. Substitute there. Simplify the answer. Second subdivision, what is as you know? Find the instantaneous velocities at the same thing. Second point, second subdivision. To find the instantaneous velocities at t equal to 3 and t equal to 6 is asking. Now what is given? S of t equal to 2t square plus 3t is given. What I told you? Velocity, that means d of t equal to ds with this formula. Differentiate with respect to 2 into division t square is 2t plus 3 into 1, that is 4t plus 3 is d of t. Am I right? Now, therefore, instantaneous velocity at t equal to 3 is v of 3, 4 into 3 plus 3, that is what? 12 plus 3 is 50. This is the first answer. Okay. Similarly, you will find instantaneous velocity at t equal to 6. Am I right? This is also meter per second. Velocity no, meter per second. Again, the same thing. Instantaneous velocity at t equal to 6. Velocity of 6 equal to 4 into 6 plus 3. 24 plus 3, 27. Again, meter per second is the answer. Am I correct? So small idea, average velocity, we have the formula, substitute value. Velocity means 1 time per second. Afterwards, substitute t value 3 and 6, we get the answer. First problem over. This type of problem maybe 5 mark or 3 mark. This is the application problem. The first exercise, all the problems are only application problem. Read the question clearly. I wrote only answer here. Refer the question in the book. Listen here. Second question, lengthy question. A camera is accidentally knocked off on edge of a cliff 400 feet high. The camera falls at a distance of x equals 16 t square. The first question is, how long does the camera fall before it hits the ground? This is the ground top. The 400 feet height. The camera fall down actually. When the camera hits the ground, the distance is what? 400. The S of t is what? 16 t square equal to 400. For t square equal to 400 divided by 16. How many times? 25 times. But t equal to what? Plus or minus 5. The t represent seconds. This second. This is the answer. First one over. Next one is the average velocity. The average velocity in last 2 seconds or the first 2 seconds or last 2 seconds. The question is second subdivision last 2 seconds. Last 2 seconds. Last 2 seconds we got here 5 already given. 2 seconds difference is last 2 seconds mean 2 seconds mean t equal to 3 and 5 last 2 seconds. Now what is the formula? Average velocity is formula. Average velocity equal to S of B, S of A. Here S of B is what here? 5. S of B is what? 16 B square. Am I right? But 16 into 5 square minus 16 into 3 square 5 minus 6 is common. 5 square 25. 3 square 9. 5 2. 8. 8 into 16. Multiply 8 44. 128. Actually, average velocity, that's why this is feet per second. Feet per second. Because distance is what? Feet is given per second. This is average velocity. Third one is instantaneous velocity of the camera when it hits the ground. Of the velocity is what? Instantaneous velocity is what? V of t equal to S square. This one is formula. dSdt is the formula. Am I right? 16 t square. 16 into t square is what? 2t. But 32t is V of t. Am I right? Velocity of t is what? 32t. Now what is the again? Instantaneous of the velocity, the camera hits the ground. Already find out. It's a quantity equal to what? Plus or minus 5, you will convert to positive sign. Therefore, instantaneous velocity is the question clearly when it hits the ground. When the camera hits the ground at t equal to 5 seconds. What is the answer? V of 5 equal to 32 into 5 equal to what? 160. This is a velocity now. That's why only feet. That's all. Check the answer. Am I right? Very simple concept. S of t given. When camera hits the ground plane and the distance is equal to S of t, from that you will find the left t. Next one is average velocity in last 2 seconds. Up to 5 is there. The breeze is what? 2 seconds. 3 and 5. Difference is what? 2. That's 3 and 5. Then someone write the formula, so you will get the answer. Then inside the velocity means possible differentiate with respect to t after when t equal to 5, that is the answer. Now listen here. Third problem. S of t is given. 2t cube minus 9t square plus 12t minus 4 is given. The question, first subdivision, at what time the particle changes direction? We know the formula, when the particle changes the direction, V of t equal to 0. That's why I am finding V of t. Velocity is V of t, T is V of t. But the formula, 2 into, division t cube is what? 3t square, 9 into 2t plus 12 into 1. Minus 0. Therefore, 6t square minus 18t plus 12. Am I right? Now, V of t 0 means 6t square minus 18t plus 12 equal to 0. Now, divided by 6, but t square minus 3t plus 2 equal to 0. Factorize. Product is 2, sum is minus 3. Minus 1 minus 2. That's why the formula is t minus 1, t minus 2 equal to 0. Okay? Or t equal to 1 comma 2. What is asking? What time the particle changes the direction? Therefore, the particle changes the direction when t equal to 1 and t equal to 2 seconds. First that's over. Now next question, to find the total distance. Second solution. What is asking? Total distance traveled by the particle in the traveled in the first 4 seconds. In the first 4 seconds. Okay? That's why first find 4 seconds means to find S of 0, S of 1, S of 2, S of 3, S of 4, you will find one by one. When S of 0 means, replace S0, 0, 0, only minus 1. Okay? 1, 2 ones are 2, 9 ones are 9, 4 ones are 12, minus 4. Adding 4, minus 13. This is 14, 14, 9, 13. In the rough calculation, so do the calculation, I write the answer directly. Then 2, when 2 is what? 2 cube, 8, 16, 2 square, 4, minus 36, 12 into 24, minus 4. After simplification, S of 2 is 0. S of 3, when S is what? 3, 3 cube, 27, into 54, 3 square, 9, 9 is 81, 12 is 36, minus 4. After simplification, 5. Then 4 cube, 64, into 128, 16 into 9, 144, 12 into 4, 48, minus 4. After simplification is 28. In this way, you will find 1 by 1. Substitute x equal to t equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 in the S of t. We have first 4 seconds asking. That's why you will find first 4 is 0 to 4. Suppose first 2 seconds asking means 0, 1, 2. That's all. Now, the formula is the total distance traveled equal to modulus of S of 0 minus S of 1 plus S of 1 minus S of 2 plus S of 3 minus S of 2. 1, 2, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, then 4. This is the formula. Now S of 0 is what? Minus 4 minus 1. 1 is what? 1 minus 0. S3 is what? 0 minus 5. Last 5 minus 1. Now minus modulus of minus 5, modulus of 1, modulus of minus 5, modulus of minus 18. 5 plus 1 plus 5 plus 18. Am I right? 23. Actually, you have to use our S4 is 28. Minus 23. Plus 23. Adding another value, we get 34. This is the second solution answer. I use small idea, we get 34 meter. Am I right? Third solution, what is the name? Find the particle's acceleration each time and velocity is 0. What is asking? When velocity is 0, third part, when velocity is 0, that means what? V of t equal to 0. V of t, already find it now. V of t is what? 60 square minus 18t plus 12 equal to 0 is asking. Which implies t equal to 1, 2, already find out. We have T0 divided. That's why when velocity is 0, what is asking? The acceleration is asking. Therefore, acceleration. What is the formula? A of t equal to, what is the formula? T square s by t square. The ds by t are divided. One side acceleration 6 into 2t minus 18 into 1 plus 0 or 12t minus 18. Now when t equal to 1, the acceleration is a of 2 equal to 12 into 2 minus 18 or 24 minus 18 equal to 6 meter per second. Okay? When t equal to 2, a of 2, sorry, a 1 actually, plus 12 minus 18, that is minus 6. Then a of 2 equal to 12 into 2 minus 18, that is 24 minus 18, 6 meter per second is the answer. When velocity is 0, acceleration is asking. What is asking? Find the particle with acceleration. This time the velocity is 0. Your velocity, you know, that's why meter per second square will come. That's important. Meter by second square is important. This answer. Listen here. Fourth question. Given d equal to x cube. What is asking on? Find the rate of change of the volume with respect to x when x equal to 5 is asking. Therefore, differentiate with respect to x. But dv by dx is equal to 3x square. What is asking? Therefore, rate of change of what is asking? Rate of change of volume. Volume with respect to x asking when x equal to 5 asking. That means what? dv by dx at x equal to 5 is asking. This is what? 3 into 5 square. Am I right? 3 into 25 equal to what? 75. This is the answer. 75 units second. This is called units. The next one is given m of x root of 3x. This can be known as root 3 into root x. Here what is asking? Here also rate of change of mass with respect to length is x here. X equal to 3 and 27 is asking. Again differentiate with respect to x. Am I right? What is the answer? M dash of x is equal to root 3 is constant. Root of x is 1 by root x. 1 by 2 times this is answer. So root 3 divided by 2 times root of x is the m dash of x. Then what is asking? Rate of change of. What is asking? Rate of change of mass. Rate of change of mass with respect to x is asking when x equal to 3 is asking. Now m dash of 3 equal to root 3 by 2 into root 3 cancel. 1 by root 3. Here the mass, what is unit actually? The mass is in kilogram and next is what? Next is what? Meter. So mass kilogram by meter. Second term is the same thing. Rate of change of mass with respect to x when x is 27. So m dash of 27 equal to root 3 by 2 into root of 27. Root of 3 by 2 into 27 can be 9 3s are 27. Root of minus 3 into 3. Cancel no? 1 by 6 kilogram by meter. That's all. This is also 2 mark and 3 mark. 5 questions are over.